Right there, Papa, to your left. Right there, yeah, throw it right there. Fish on! Orly is on! Slowly, Papa, slowly. Let it turn you, let it turn you. Pick up your reel, reel it in. Fight it, Papa. You're on? Yeah. Ooh, you need to say fish on. It took a while, but we got him. Am I recording? Oh yeah, I'm recording. How does it feel? Big? Let him run, let him run. Nice. Hunting. Look, and there's a school behind me. Okay, hold them there. Actually, let go of some line. What? Let go of some line. No. Let me go over there. That's awesome, puppy. Okay, put the tip this way. Yeah, there you go. You're good, you're good, you're good. Oh, nice. Nice. Oof. That's a big one. Okay, let me get the... That was a good chase, huh? That's a big one. He ate it, huh? Like, I'm gonna measure him for you and do all this cool stuff. Okay. Okay. So what I like to do, you net them, right? Let go of some line, because we don't want to break the reel. Okay, I'll put the fish grip here. Look at this redfish, guys. Look, he ate the lure. All right, so I'll measure him. He's a keeper for sure. I'll measure him. 23 1/4. There are some big ones in there. Did you see all the backs? Now this guy ate it, so what I'll do, I'll grab my pliers, look for the hook, and then I'll hook him. Caught it on the Tubeys. Purple slammer. Hey, calm down, bro. Come on. I already saw the hook. Was that a rush? There you go. Okay, let me fix it. I saw a school behind me. How does it feel? Feels nice. Okay, I want you to put it in the hook slot. I want you to take a picture with it so I can send it to your mom. Okay, so they're gonna be schooling more. But that's why practicing how to cast is important, huh? Okay, come this way.